this is not a spinner. Go. These are magnetic rings that can do so much more. We designed them to be completely freestyle, with unlimited possibilities. Develop tricks. Play games. We experimented with different designs until we reinvented the perfect wheel. Make up the rules yourself and be creative. Be serious. Or completely carefree. This is us, the team behind the project. So, support the campaign. Be magnetic. Pick up your pair now. Or, well, 3, actually.
Get ready to don the SuperSuit. SuperSuit is the world's first wearable gaming platform and uses new sci-fi technology to communicate suit to suit, so they work anywhere. The Super Vest is its power core. It lights up, makes sound, and has haptic feedback letting you feel when you get hit. The Super Glove is the tool to activate special abilities. Its engaged gesture technology gives you the power to unleash shockwaves, generate force fields, and much more. Inside every suit is a special super bot, which act as allies boosting your defense, zap your opponents, or be the goal of the game. Stocked full of a variety of games at launch, gives SuperSuit the ability to be experienced single or multiplayer. Like in SuperSuit's take on Capture the Flag, the suit's bots become goals sought after by opposing team members. And in its flagship strategy game, Robin Hood, players use the SuperSuit's give and take features to steal resources from the rich team and give them to the poor team. With SuperSuit, the more you play, the more powerful you become. Instead of leveling up a character, you level up, rewarding you with new powers and gestures as your abilities increase. And tracking those powers is done in the app, where you can monitor current level, compare scores in active minutes, and download new games. Inside SuperSuit exists a new world of gaming. Get ready to unlock your potential. Get ready to don the SuperSuit and live the game.